Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about this upgrade for the Amco brake lathes. Um, I noticed when I did the upgrade on this, I had to make the guide bar slide with the crossfeed carriage. It improved the cutting dramatically. The rotors just come off of there beautiful, like regularly the sexiest looking rotors ever. We've always known that the guide bar needed to be clean. Part of a proper service on a brake lathe is cleaning up the guide bar. Take the sandpaper out and polish it up. With the bigger rotors, I'm recommending that everybody change their guide bar for a brand new guide bar and attach the guide bar directly to the crossfeed carriage and lock it down so that the guide bar slides with the carriage like this. Okay, that right there improves cutter head stability tremendously. This makes a huge difference if you're cutting larger rotors like the Hellcat rotors or the Transit van rotors. These 13 and 14-inch rotors, you really need a more stable cutter head. All it takes to do the upgrade as far as the guide bar is you buy a guide bar, you wrestle your old guide bar out by taking out 2 set screws that are directly under the guide bar right there. It's a 632 Allen wrench, or no, 3/16, sorry, that's the other one. 3/16 Allen wrench, and it goes in right here like this. You might have to clean out the hole. But that's where the Allen wrench goes there. And there's another one on this side in the same place. You loosen those set screws, take them out, clean the guide bar under here so that you can get yours out. Get your brand new guide bar, and when you go to fit your new guide bar, you just get one of these sandpaper disc things, drum things, and go in there and you're just gonna deburr, just take off the burrs so that it slides through. The guide bar holes were drilled correctly through the housing. They were just never cleaned up for it to slide. So you just go in there and quickly deburr it on each side and make sure it slides through there. Oil it up nice. I used a boot off of the drum feed as a dust shield inside here. And then after I'm done, I put a piece of Velcro there, a piece of cardboard here, and keep the chips off the back of it. And this part I just manually wipe down. That'll improve your cuts, whether it's a small rotor or a big rotor. It's just going to make your whole life easier having this cutter head far more stable than it was before. Thanks for your time. Check out our website, Handy Dandy Upgrades. We have this whole thing. This is set up to cut giant stuff. You might like it. Check out our stuff. Thanks.